Now another good news story about facilities. ECB has helped to inject more than £40 million into the development of new and upgraded recreational facilities in the past 4 years. And Furness College in Cumbria is a good example of what is possible when people come together with a common vision and sense of purpose.
I got in touch with Mark Nicholson, who's the Vice Principal. It's 6 years ago, to be fair. We were looking at potential because of our facility strategy. We haven't got any top quality facilities in Cumbria, and 6 years later we're now here with the facility being built.
In terms of sport, we had no on-site facilities, so we were using local leisure centres and sports halls within schools to facilitate sport locally. But now we're hoping to have everything on site and to a very high standard.
The main thing about cricket is we don't really have what we would consider to be a regional class centre within the county. So what we actually want to do is actually develop the facility.
We went to a number of sports governing bodies, but it was ECB and Cumbria Cricket Ltd that came forward to support us.
Bob Simpson from Cumbria came to me a couple of years ago to say that this was something that was an option and potentially on the table. And it became evident that it was an opportunity that was too good to miss for Cumbrian cricket and hence for ECB.
Well, the county of Cumbria it's very big, a lot of mountains in the middle, sparse populations. At the time, the ECB national strategy said there had to be facilities within 30 miles for players to actually come and play cricket and practice cricket indoors.
This is one of the last black hole areas in the country for that facilities promise, and so it was particularly a good opportunity to actually get a regional class technical training facility.
We want to use the Cricket Specialist Sports Hall for elite player development, player pathway development, to support local clubs, but also the idea of a cricket curriculum for the college, and also to increase adult participation in the sport locally.
That's the big attraction for this type of project, was that it didn't just meet the further education sector, but they very much were looking out for the community. So in actual fact, there's virtually no part of the cricket community that this project won't touch in Cumbria.
It's going to benefit everyone, absolutely everyone. We've got 10 cricket clubs, we've got 26 primary schools locally as well, along with 5 secondary schools, including the academy. We're very much looking at adult participation at the moment, and that is one of our very big outcomes, along with the disability work and the women's and girls work that we're looking at doing.
We're investing £200,000 into this scheme, which has allowed us to work with the college, who had a fully funded scheme, but the difference that £200,000 has made is we've turned it from a sports hall into something which will be a regional class cricket facility. It has a flooring system, a lighting system, and everything that we need in terms of cricket to make it into a true cricket facility.
The other thing that we thought was very important, and it's part of the overall emphasis for Furness College, was to invest in technology. The technology to support that will be through an integrated HD camera system throughout the building, wireless connectivity. It's also hardwired connected back to a suite.
So that will link in not only to the sports science suite, but also with the opportunity to do direct feedback and coaching with iPads and that type of tablet technology.
Yeah, we're absolutely delighted to have this as an investment for the college and for the local community.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is going to be one of the best facilities in the north of the country, never mind just in Cumbria. I think that, we've worked very well together to get to this. Through the college, working through Dan Russell and the team at ECB.
Yeah, these projects take a huge amount of time to develop, but it's really great when they come to fruition, and there's a facility there which will serve cricket for the next 30-40 years and really provide a massive impact in the community.